Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Friday, January 15. The time is around 4 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of oil. This is a 45 minutes chart. This is the front end month of the contract in oil. And we are looking for oil here to finish with 5 of 1. Okay. So you can see 2 in the minute degree, 3 and 4, and then that will end with 5 and also ending with 1 in the minor degree. Then from there we should be looking for with 2 pullback before turning higher again. If I look at the larger degree to give you a context, then we are talking about the cycle from December 23rd low. So this is the 2, 3, 4 you see in the 45 minutes chart here. So you're looking for a 5 ways up. Looks very clear here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then looking like finishing with 5 now, right? We can already more or less count another 5. A 5 ways up with just a marginal high. Now again, those who are new to trading or new to anything on financial instrument, this chart here is not saying we should sell it, right? I mean, even though, yeah, we are calling for another leg lower, but it is not saying we should sell it. The right side is higher. Therefore, if there's any pullback, that will be an opportunity to buy in the dips. That's what it means, all right? And the right side is always the most important thing, because forecast can always change, trend can always extend, right? So the pullback may or may not happen. The right side is higher. So if it is pulling back, then that will be that will find support in the sequence of 3, 7, 11 swing for the upside. We can already count a clear 5 ways up here. So also chasing is going to be risky, because it could potentially end this 5 waves and then starts to do the pullback. Okay, now it can, if the rally is very strong, you see we can always change it into a nest 1, 2, 1, 2, and then continues to rally very strongly. So that's why you never want to try to it's not a wise thing to trade every single swing in the market. Okay. And giving you another idea here in the daily chart, right? This is a weekly, by the way. Now oil, if you look at the low in April here, has already reached 100%, right? We got 3 swing here, very clear on the weekly. We got 3 swings, and this 3 swing has reached the 100%. Now there is a reason to believe that it's not gonna end here. Now if you are bearish in oil, then you would say, well, this is an ABC and it's going to go down. But the problem is, if this is going down, it's going to go to negative number, right? Now that doesn't mean it's not possible. Remember last year we went to negative number in the contract, in futures contract, right? I mean, as unrealistic as it sounds, but that's the fact. It went to negative last year. But I don't think this time around it's going to go like that again, in my view. You can see that it's not just oil, copper, and a lot of our commodities that we follow and we cover in the group 2, like wheat, soybean, and many others, sugar, they all start to explode to the upside. They rally very strongly. 10-year yields going up. We are in what looks to be an inflationary cycle here, guys. All right. So there's a reason to think that this actually could become a new 5 ways up from the absolute low we saw last year, which was negative in one. I believe it was in March during the COVID-19 sell-off, right? So this can continue to go up here in a very impulsive manner, and therefore pullback again will continue to find support in 3, 7, 11 swing for further upside. So I hope this video is helpful, and as always, if you want to check our service, we have 14 days free trial, and I will provide the description of the provide the link to the 14 days free trial in the description of the video. So see you all again next week, and have a nice weekend to you all.